Today we're looking at a certified 2017 Honda Accord Touring V6. It's got 16,000 miles on it. All right, it's modern steel metallic in color. It's got a clean Carfax, just one owner. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. All right, it does have the turn signals in the side mirrors. Got the nice chrome trim around the windows. Got your lock unlock button here on the door handles. It is equipped with sunroof. Okay, it is the V6. Driver's side of the Accord's in great shape. Does have the front and rear park assist, rear backup camera. All right, it is the two-door coupe. Passenger side of the vehicle is in great shape. It's got the lock unlock button here as well on the passenger door handle. Got your turn signals in the side mirrors, and then it's got your blind spot monitoring camera, and we'll show you that once we get it started. All right, once again, it's a 17, it's certified, clean Carfax, one owner. All right, it's got 16,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels, nice metallic trim piece here. Got your memory seats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay, it's got your lane departure warning here, collision alert. It's got your park assist here. All right, econ button there. There's your blind spot monitoring camera button. All right, it's got black leather, power driver seat. The perforated inserts here. Driver seat's in good shape. Comes with 2 keyless entry key fobs with remote start. All right, passenger seat leather looks good. I'll go ahead and pan out a little bit, give you another shot of the sunroof. Okay, it is an automatic. It's got your heated seats. Got your dual climate controls there. Push button start. All right, it's going to have your radio display, backup camera. It's going to have navigation, blind spot monitoring camera. I'll show you that in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. All right, let's go and take a look at the mileage. All right, it's got 16,943 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, I can go ahead and show you the radio display. All right, here's your upper display screen here. Okay, it's got your radio, time. We'll pan out just a little bit and get your other display screen here. Okay, it's got all your apps. Let's go ahead and activate the navigation. Simply press that. There's your navigation. We'll go ahead and engage backup camera. Okay, and it's going to show up right up here in this upper screen, but you have different versions of the camera here, different angles that you can see through. All right, there's your backup camera. It's got the guidelines. All right, and then we'll go ahead and activate the blind spot monitoring camera. And let me dim this down just a little bit so you can see it. Let's see. There we go. All right, and it's a safety feature that Honda offers. It gives you a visual of your blind spot. It's activated by pushing that button left of the steering wheel, or you can use the turn signals. All right. Climate control right here. Got your dual climate controls, push button start. AC's blowing nice and cold. All right, no problems there. And then once again, got your heated seats here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back. All right, it is the two-door coupe. Access the back seat here. All right, back seat leather looks good. No issues at all. Interior's been well taken care of. 2017 with 16,000 miles on it. This thing's in phenomenal shape. All right, got the nice protector mat back here. We'll lift this up. Got your spare tire and the jack under there. All right, everything nice and clean back here. A ton of room. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. All right, let's see. We've got, what size are these? Well, let's see. R19s. Okay, we got 19-inch alloys. All right, it's got the nice black trim in here. Tires are still in great shape. All right, plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a certified 2017. Got 16,000 miles on it. Interior, exterior are fantastic on this Accord. Clean Carfax, just one owner. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.